Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best portable cooler insulated wheels handle. The TOURIT Portable 50 can collapsible rolling soft cooler. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a frequent grocery shopper, or someone who simply enjoys picnicking with convenience, this is the cooler you'll want to hear about. Let's kick things off by talking about design and capacity. The TOURIT cooler is built with functionality and mobility in mind. It holds up to 50 cans, offering a generous 29 liters of storage space. That's more than enough for a full day's outing, whether it's chilling sodas for your family at the beach or keeping your groceries cool on the way back from the farmer's market. And despite its spacious interior, this cooler remains lightweight at only 2.8 kilograms, or just over 6 pounds. But what really sets it apart is its all-terrain mobility. The included reinforced cart comes with oversized wheels that can handle rough ground, gravel paths, or sandy beaches without a hitch. The telescoping handle extends up to 39.5 inches and can lock into 3 different positions, giving you full control over maneuverability. Combined with the trifold expandable base, it's built to travel with you, no matter where you go. The TOURIT cooler doesn't just roll well, it performs well too. Thanks to its seamless heat-pressed liner made of food-grade EVA and thick PVA insulation, it offers a fully leak-proof experience. You can store ice, cold drinks, or warm meals inside, and the temperature will hold steady for up to 12 hours. That's a full half-day of guaranteed insulation, making it perfect for tailgates, sports events, or long road trips. Cleaning it is also a breeze. The interior and exterior surfaces are designed to resist most food and drink residue. All you need is a damp cloth and mild soapy water, and you're good to go. TOURIT also recommends air drying it to maintain the insulation quality over time. One of the often overlooked strengths of this cooler is its versatility. It's not just for the beach or camping, it's also a smart choice for food delivery drivers and grocery runs. The flexible soft-sided design lets you fold it down for storage, and the durable 600D Oxford cloth exterior means it can take some rough use without showing wear. To summarize, the TOURIT 50 can rolling soft cooler combines smart design, practical features, and real-world durability. It's spacious yet portable, tough yet stylish, and built for everything from camping adventures to everyday errands. If you've been on the hunt for a cooler that truly understands convenience and performance, this one's hard to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay cool.